Everyone, in last video we have studied about the abstraction, and next in this video we'll start with the encapsulation. Yes, encapsulation is one of the another fundamental principle of object oriented programming language. Yeah, many programmers will especially beginners find a little bit difficult to understand what exactly encapsulation. So I will try to make it as simple as possible. In this tutorial, we will cover different details of encapsulation, like what encapsulation and example of encapsulation advantages, and also difference between the abstraction and the encapsulation. Okay, and I will start with definition. I will start with definition. Encapsulation is a process or technique that binds the data members or and methods together in a single unit. We call these units as a class or interface in them. So this is the encapsulation process ensures that the data and behavior of the unit cannot be accessed directly from the other unit. Okay, we'll go with one real time example. Let's see. Okay. See, I defined one main class. That's one real-time example. I will explain you one based on the bank and the customer rate. Okay, when customer have some private details his name, account number, and balance. Okay, and password of the for net banking, all those things. Okay, so these are very sensitive data. So we have we are what do you call, we are hiding this uh, data to exposing to the other other class, other outside the class, so using private keyword if we mention private, so we cannot directly access outside the class, so we are accessing through the to set and get this value using setters and getters, like we are using public setters and getters, so we can modify the data. Okay. In bank class, I created a customer object custom new customer, and we are accessing through the reference. Okay, we are setting the balance as 100. See, and then we are getting the balance. Okay, same thing for again. I'm set the balance to 200, and again I'm accessing the balance. See, I will run the class out. See, we are getting to 100 and 200 before, it was 100. Then we are again set it to the 200, so we are getting 200. Like this, we cannot directly access these members because they are private. So we are accessing through the getters and setters because those are public. We can access outside the class also. Okay. See, when I'm trying to access the private members, what will it? Bank dot balance equal to 100. See, we are getting error because of it is already private, like it is private in the other class. We cannot access directly. We have to access through the getters and setters only. This is the one of the future, like it is future of encapsulation. Like we are hiding the sensitive data. Okay, this. Yeah. In next video, we'll start with the inheritance. Thank you.